What's up YouTube, it's your boy Drip-SNKRS back with another YouTube video. Today we will be unboxing these voomero 5s from StockXShoesVIP.net. Make sure to use my code DRIP when you check them out and when you place your order. So let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so first thing we got is the box. It's just the regular Nike box. As you can see, it's red and white. And right here it says Nike Zoom Voomero 5. 9, 10.5 right there. It's Nike. Bottom has this barcode. Box does look pretty good. When we open up the box, this is what you're meant with. You have the thank you for your purchase, StockX Shoes VIP. And then back here we have their WhatsApp and their contact right here. Make sure to go check them out. I will have everything in the description. And then next thing we got is the shoes. As you can see, the shoes do look pretty nice. These are some casual shoes you can just wear. So here you have the tongue, Nike Voomero 5s, the inside, and it's really soft. Toe box pops up right away. This is just like a casual running shoe, you know what I'm saying? And then next shoe right here, same thing. Everything does look good on these shoes. They do look pretty nice. They're like Nike New Balances. And then you got the StockX tag, which is pretty cool. And a StockX sticker. Looks pretty good. The shoes are like really clean. They're all white. They're white and gray. They look really nice. And like right here, it makes you a little taller. Squishy right here. I did put these on and they are very comfortable. So I do recommend you guys to get these shoes and to check out StockXShoesVIP.net. It's like very foamy, it's very comfortable, and on the back it has really good heel support. That's pretty much it on the review, guys, because this isn't really like in-depth shoe. It's pretty basic. That's pretty much it for the review, guys. Thank you for watching and see ya.